Hello, good morning. If you're checking this, you're doing your job. You're checking into announcements as I asked you to do on Friday, so I appreciate that. If you have not yet, please go to the e-learning website and check in. Actually, it just turned 10 a.m., so if you haven't done it, you're late. So make sure you do it by 10 a.m. tomorrow and every day going forward, and that's at d234.org. Go to Students, go to the e-learning app, and fill out the Google form. Okay, so obviously there's a lot of stuff that needs to be figured out. So I'm going to take slow steps and make sure we're all on board before I ramp things up. The most important thing, as far as I'm concerned, is maintaining communication with you guys, answering your questions, making sure that online learning is actually working. So one thing that I know you guys don't like, you mentioned in class, is the AP quizzes, but obviously we're kind of out of luck in terms of doing everything on paper. Obviously, if you have a printer at home, go ahead and print them out. But I'm still going to need information from you, and I do encourage you to use pencil and paper to answer questions and show your work. But I'm going to have to use those AP quizzes to collect information to see how you're doing. And then, what we're going to have to do is be really organized about how we go forth, cataloging our progress, and then doing some teaching, right? As much as possible, I'm going to have videos to help you where you're stuck. I might direct you. If you're moving faster than the pace of the class, I'm going to direct you to be using other videos. But I am going to have a pace and have a daily check-in with you guys, which brings me to another topic, Zoom. I would like you to please download Zoom Cloud Meetings. I believe that's what it's called. That's going to enable us to do, I can do like a presentation for the whole class live, and people can ask questions during the presentation, but it also lets us just have some live back and forth interaction if you do have Wi-Fi at home. So please download that today. That's your assignment, essentially. Going back to the AP quizzes, I do need you to finish the momentum quizzes that I posted. So I'm still waiting on a lot of people to finish those. I don't know exactly how we're going to have a test. I haven't figured that out yet. I was even toying with the idea of having you make a video demonstrating your knowledge of the topic instead of giving you a test. I don't know exactly what that looks like, so I'm going to have to do some research. I'm also open to ideas, different ways for you guys to demonstrate your understanding. Paper and pencil tests might not be practical at this point, or I don't know, we'll figure it out. Okay, so the good thing and bad thing about this whole situation is that it might really encourage us to do self-paced learning. So if you truly are motivated for the AP test, as far as I can tell, the dates haven't actually changed. I don't know how they're going to handle that if schools are still closed when the testing goes on. But for now, I think the important thing is just to try to stay on pace as much as possible. So I'm going to do some work this afternoon in terms of pacing and try to make it a realistic goal for anybody who actually wants to be ready on the date of the test, which is early May. All right, if you have questions, please make sure you email me. Please be checking announcements every day. So today's assignment is to download Zoom. I'm actually going to try to do a Zoom conference right now with anybody who does it during class, just to check the technology, see how it's working. I need to experiment with it myself. So if you download it, I'm going to send you a code, and it should allow you to log on. I'll go ahead and post that code in this announcement. All right, talk to you soon. Bye.